1971 BMW 2800 CS 4-speed. Price: $11,750. Location: Montana. The 1971 BMW 2800 CS is a timeless representation of classic German engineering, blending elegant design with engaging performance. Finished in its original factory color Granada, this coupe immediately captures attention with its warm metallic tone that highlights the sleek, pillarless body design. The absence of a B-pillar gives the car a clean, uninterrupted profile, a defining characteristic of BMW's iconic E9 series. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a refined black interior accented with subtle cream striping, offering a vintage aesthetic that feels both sporty and sophisticated. The cabin reflects a driver-focused philosophy, featuring front bucket seats with headrests, a 3-spoke steering wheel, and clear VDO instrumentation. Additional touches such as wood trim, an analog clock, and a period-correct AudioVox radio enhance the classic atmosphere, making every drive feel like a step back in time. Under the hood lies a 2.8-litre inline-six engine, paired with dual Zenith carburetors and a 4-speed manual transmission. This combination delivers a smooth yet responsive driving experience, characteristic of BMW's performance heritage. The inclusion of power steering ensures easier handling, while the balanced chassis contributes to a confident and enjoyable ride whether on city streets or open roads. Externally, the car showcases signature vintage styling elements such as quad headlights, chrome trim, and wraparound bumpers with rubber guards. The factory sunroof adds an extra layer of charm, allowing natural light to flow into the cabin. Sitting on 14-inch FPS-style alloy wheels with BMW center caps, the car maintains its period-correct stance, reinforcing its authenticity and collector appeal. As part of the E9 coupe lineage, the 2800 CS played a significant role in shaping BMW's reputation in both luxury and motorsport. This platform would later evolve into race-winning touring cars across Europe, cementing its place in automotive history. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of a transformative era for the brand. While this particular example is currently not in running condition and will require mechanical attention and cosmetic restoration, it presents a unique opportunity. Priced accordingly, it offers enthusiasts and collectors a chance to own and restore a highly desirable classic coupe. With the right vision and care, this 2800 CS can be brought back to its former glory and enjoyed for years to come.